Die dieet waarvan almal praat, is 'n dieet wat ek volg vir my gesondheid. Ek word nie weer wakker in die aande nie. Die verlede het ek wakker geword met hartklopings. Dan dink ek kom 'n hartaanval, want ek het 'n geskiedenis vir hartaanvalle.
12,2 kg in 13 weke. Dis amper 'n kilogram 'n week, alhoewel ek dit nie so verloor het nie. As ek klaar is met my kursus, is dit nie asof ek my dieet gaan stop nie. Dit is hoe ek eet. Dis baie lekker om iemand te hê wat omgee en wat vir jou sê wat jy reg doen en wat jy verkeerd doen. Brenda's wonderlik. Ek dink Brenda is een van die groot redes hoekom ons by Rotine is en by haar bly. Dis wonderlik. Ek was 'n rysvleis aartappels mens. Dis al wat ek geëet het. Nou eet ek groente, ek eet vrugte. I'm more healthy, I've got more energy when I wake up in the morning. I last longer during the day, I sleep less. I'll always be on this diet as a way of life, as a way of eating. To me, it's not a diet, it's a way of eating. I never used to eat any vegetables. I only had rice, meat and potato, that was me. So now that I am having vegetables and fruit, I get it in on a daily basis and it's healthy and it's good for me.
17.2 in 13 weeks. On the street, people ask me, how did you do it? And I tell them that it's the diet that everybody talks about. It worked for me and it can work for anyone.
I lost 22 kilograms in about 4.5 months' time. The diet that everyone talks about can change your whole life around. You're more fitness aware of what's going on around you, and it also helps a lot in your marriage.
I've lost 7.5 kilos in 8 weeks. It is the best one because the other diets, I think I've tried most diets available which never worked for me. So it was the next alternative that I had. I really enjoy dressing up now. This diet, doesn't really take you away very much from the normal food that you eat, but the quantities that you eat. Okay, the biggest sacrifice was not to be able to eat pap for the first 3 weeks. I can eat a little bit of pap now, and the rest is normal food. Is very nice, I think the big difference there is eating the right quantities and the right combinations. I had to stop eating pap. I had to stop eating pap, which is an African staple food. They make you feel that you are not in it alone. They support you, call you, and just encourage you.
I started with a diet 8 weeks ago, and I've lost 14 kilogram. I went from a 44 pounds to a 38, and which I think is excellent. The main ingredient is definitely the willpower. If you haven't got the willpower to do it, you won't be successful. It's just wonderful.
13 weke en ek het 11.2 verloor en 36 centimeter. Want ek het gehoor hy is die beste, almal praat daarvan en ek het gesien dit werk. Die dieet waarvan almal praat is die beste. Dis al uitweg wat jy kan kry. Dit werk vinnig, dit werk goed. Dis nie vir my 'n dieet nie, dit is 'n manier van beter lewe. Die mense by die apteek is wonderlik. Hulle motiveer jou elke keer wat jy daar kom. As jy 1 kilogram verloor het, is die mense by die apteek saam met jou bly en hulle vier dit saam met jou. En ek voel trots op myself om so baie te kon verloor. Ek is vriendelik en ek het krag en ek wil lewe en ek wil aangaan en dis lekker. Dis lekker om so te voel.
Ek het 22 kilos verloor in 4.5 maande se tyd. Nee, nie weer nie. Glad nie weer nie. Nee, ek sal dit nie kan hanteer nie. Langtermyn hou ons dit ook so, want jy's klaar gewoond om so te eet, jy's klaar gewoond, dis jou nuwe lewenswyse. Dit is klaar hoe jy aangepas het tot waar jy toe vandag is. Dit is nou lekkerder om met hulle rond te hardloop en met hulle te speel. En nou ja, dit het ook 'n goeie invloed op die huwelik. Maar ek moet sê, was dit ook nie vir hulle nie, dan sou mens ook nie kan deurdruk nie.